When in Goa, you gotta try their spicy local sausage. I go visit Mr. Anthony, who makes some of the best Goan sausages in the entire state. Mr. Anthony takes me to visit his pigs. When it comes to his sausages, it's all about the quality of his meat. Mr. Anthony feeds his pigs lentils, legumes, chickpea flour, wheat, and fattens them up. I bet you these guys eat like pigs.
Yeah.
Really interesting is, Mr. Anthony just said that he washes his pigs twice a day. I mean, I'm in the pen, and it's spotless. If the pigs are treated well, the meat's gonna taste good, and the sausages are gonna be fantastic. I see them preparing the meat for the sausages, all hand cut. I notice this guy is chopping all this fatty meat. I mean, there's more fat than meat, and that's characteristic of Goan sausages. They have these chunks of fat. Goan sausages are all about the flavor, the masala. He shows me his version of the Risciardo masala with toddy vinegar. Woo! To me, it's that toddy vinegar that makes these Goan sausages so special. Mr. Anthony showed me this big basket of marinated meat. The pork meat is left to marinate for 2 days. I mean, all that masala flavor really has to get into that meat. Some water is added to help dilute the masala. He takes me into the smoker. This is where they get smoked for 3 days for that unique flavor. Ooh. Oh, my eyes are stinging with all that smoke. I don't know how these guys do it. So these have been smoking for 3 days?
In 3 days.
And in 3 days, they're ready to eat.
Ready.
Because you can see some of the chunks of fat right there. So to smoke the sausage, you're using coconut and cashew wood. Oh, this smoke doesn't bother you.
Yeah.
He must be used to it. Hello. We go into the kitchen, and Mr. Anthony's wife, Katerina, makes me a classic Goan sausage fry. So this goes into a dry pan, no oil?
No, nothing.
Nothing.
Water.
Just water.
Water.
And how long does it cook for?
Yeah, it's cook only 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
At this time.
Ah. Well, you can really smell that masala and that toddy vinegar. Just nice. Ah, brava. We eat the sausage fry with some local pau or Goan bread. It was like the perfect sausage panino, nice and picante. Come on, Mr. Anthony. Otherwise, I'm gonna feel guilty eating.